easy problem 1323 maximum 69 number. So for this number 9669, we want to turn this into an array of digits, which is 9 6 6 9. We're gonna save this array in digits in reversed order. Then after that, just go through them one by one. 9, if it is 6, we can skip 9. If it is 6, we just turn it into a 9, which gonna be 9 6 9 9. Then reverse it again. By reverse it, we can pick each element in the array times it by 10, then add the next digits, then we can get it back, which is the way to convert the digits into a number again.